For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Designed for convenience and efficiency, this all-in-one convection oven offers fast cooking, healthier meals, and a large 10-liter capacity suitable for families and meal prepping. Versatile countertop cooking. The need for multiple appliances. Whether you want to air fry crispy fries, roast a whole chicken, dehydrate fruits, or bake a cake, this device handles it all. With 17 preset cooking options, it simplifies meal preparation for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Faster cooking with no preheating required. Unlike traditional ovens that require preheating, this air fryer oven uses rapid air heating elements to cook food evenly and quickly. The convection technology ensures that meals are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, reducing cooking time and energy consumption. Healthier meals with less oil. This air fryer reduces oil usage by up to 98% compared to traditional frying methods. By using hot air circulation instead of submerging food in oil, you can enjoy crispy, flavorful meals with fewer calories and less fat. Whether making fries, chicken wings, or vegetables, this appliance supports a healthier lifestyle. Easy-to-use digital controls. The air fryer features a user-friendly capacitive touch control screen, allowing anyone to select the perfect cooking setting with ease. The 17 preset options remove guesswork, providing consistent results for different types of food. Simply choose a preset, set the time and temperature, and let the appliance do the rest. Extra-large 10-liter capacity. Designed for families and meal preppers, the 10-liter capacity allows you to cook large portions in a single batch. Whether preparing dinner for a household or cooking multiple meals for the week, this air fryer oven accommodates a variety of needs. The spacious interior fits whole chickens, multiple trays of snacks, or large batches of vegetables. Monitor cooking progress. The built-in interior light and extra-large viewing window let you check on your food without opening the door. This helps maintain temperature consistency and prevents heat loss, ensuring even cooking. Whether air frying, roasting, or baking, you can easily monitor the cooking process without interruption. Convenient and safe. This air fryer oven includes an auto shut-off feature for added safety. The appliance automatically turns off when cooking is complete, preventing overcooking and enhancing user convenience. Its design prioritizes ease of use, making it a reliable choice for busy kitchens. Conclusion. It's an excellent choice for those looking to simplify their cooking process while enjoying healthier meals. With its versatile functions, rapid cooking technology, and spacious capacity, this appliance meets the demands of modern kitchens. Whether air frying, baking, dehydrating, or roasting, it delivers consistent and efficient results every time.